Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on OLE DB transformation in SSIS. OLE DB transformation is one of the transformations in data flow task in SSIS. It runs the SQL statement for each row in a data flow. We can update database tables using all DML operations in through OLE command transformation. The only disadvantage of this transformation is it reads the data from the source file for each row, which takes slow in performance of the package while running the package. So it is not suggestible to use this mm, data transformation when your source file is thousands of rows, thousands of data. So it is useful when your source file is very low rows or very few records. While inhibitor command transformation is very much useful. Without wasting the time, let's jump into the demo. Here I have one table called test table, where there are three columns: ID, name, and gender. Now I want to show how to update the um, uh, SQL statement using this OLE DB command transformation in SSIS package. So this is ID and name and gender are the three columns in the test table. In gender there is only single digits, single character in M, F, M, like that it is there. So I want to change that gender M to male. So how I can do i- by using the while repeat transformation. Now I have this test tab limited file is there. This is the source file for updating the test table. Now I make changes in source file and save it and save. Now I want to change by using the OLEDB command and update the gender column from MF to male and female. This is the new package I am taking. I am dragging the data flow task because mm, I am using the flat file source for delimited test document. My source file is tab delimited. Double click new, browse. This is my source file. So everything is delimited. In, in table it is gender MF, but in source document male, female, and all these things. If you want to change data types, you have to change, but no need for my document source. I'm okay with all these things. There is uh, it doesn't make much difference even if you keep the written null values from the source server, because my source document doesn't contain any null values. Columns, everything is good. Okay. So now I am dragging the OLEDB command. Next, connect this flat file to transformation. Double click. So here there is no connection manager, only one connection manager, that is nothing but practical connection manager. So we want to connect the table in the database. For that, I am we need to create some OLE DB connection. So my server name is admin and my database is sample. After double click, so after connecting, it will appear now. So what I need to do, I want to make some update statement here. Update test table name, test set gender, gender is equal to male, uh, where name is equal to Ravi. This is a common update statement when you update with the SQL query. But while you using the while bit translation, you need not specify the values like this. You just make a question mark. What are the values you need to update, and what are the conditions you have to use in the update statement without putting any values here. Just you need to give question mark. So this is the update statement that we put into the SSIS package. So I am selecting this one in column mappings. In custom properties, in component property, under component properties tab, there is one custom properties here. Here you find one SQL command. If you double click here, you need to paste the whatever the update statement you have, SQL statement. Okay, see here, SQL statement to be executed. If there is any wrong, something wrong in the syntax are there, you will get the error message here. So our statement is correct. Now go to column mappings. So here you need to map the column mapping. So what is there in the update statement? Now update test is nothing but table. Set gender. Gender is one column and the name is one column. We have to update the gender column as per the condition in the name. So at that time, the first column here is gender. So we need to map the gender to the um, parameter 0 and name. Next field is name. We need to map the name to the parameter 1. So in destination columns, parameters start with 0 and 1. As per our update statement or insert or delete statement, we have to map accordingly. Okay, so everything is good. Now if you run the package, obviously that gender comes to full form, male, female, male, 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 like that. So I am going to run, see what happened now. So 5 rows are transformed to the database tables in OLD by using the OLE DB command. If you go to the table and check the data, all 5 gender fields updated accordingly as per our the source document using the OLE DB command. See, male, earlier it is male, female, male. This is how you have to update the data into the database table using OLEDB command. Once again, I am repeating, this is not suggestible when your source document is thousands of rows and records. It is useful only when your source document is very few records. Thanks for watching the video. Once again,